Belleau Wood. Here we go. Oh, the snowflakes fell in silence over Belleau Wood that night, for a Christmas truce had been declared by both sides of the fight. As we lay there in our trenches, the silence broke in two by a German soldier singing a song that we all knew. I forgot to auto-scroll my chords, sorry. Though I did not know the language, the song was Silent Night. Then I heard my buddy whisper, all is calm and all is bright. And the fear and doubt surrounded me, 'cause I'd die if I was wrong. I stood up in my trench and I began to sing along. Then across the frozen battlefield another's voice joined in, till one by one each man became the singer of the hymn. Then I thought that I was dreaming, for right there in my sight stood the German soldier neath the fallen flakes of white. And he raised his hand and smiled at me as if he seemed to say, here's a hoping we both live to see to find a better way. Then the devil's clock struck midnight and the skies lit up again, and the battlefield where heaven stood was blown to hell again. But in just one fleeting moment, the answer seemed so clear. Heaven